Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to fix Google Play server skip stopping. So I'm going to be showing you a different method on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you're unable to use a Google Play, then by following this step, you might be able to fix it. So first thing, what you can do is you can clear cache and data. For that, open up your settings page and then on the search box, type in Google Play. And after you tap on Google Play, next you need to click on storage. And after that, you'll be directed to the storage page. And here you'll be able to find the space that is consumed by Google Play. And after that, you need to clear cache. You might be able to fix your Google Play. If you're still unable to fix it, then open up your Google Play. And then in the top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to see an option as try bar. Just click on it, and as you click on the option, next on the other side you'll be able to see an option as my apps in a game. Just click on it. You'll be able to see the application that needs to be updated. So on this page you need to update all. So not updating your application might lead to this kind of error. So what you need to do is you need to click on update all, and then you might be able to fix it. And the other reason for this kind of error might be the permission or disabling some of the features. So in order to enable all of the features, what you need to do is head towards your settings page and then click on app. Once you click on app, next interface you need to select Google Play, and then you need to click on app info. Once you tap on app info, you'll be directed to this kind of interface, and right on this page you need to select permission. You'll be able to see all of the information page. You have to make sure that all of the options are enabled, and in case if some of the features are turned off or disabled, then it might lead to this kind of error. The other reason might be your internet connection. If you have an unstable internet connection, then it might be one of the major reasons for this kind of error. It might be from the server itself. So you need to visit down detector for Google Play, and after that you'll be notified about the issue. So those were the feature on how you can fix Google Play service skip stopping issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.